come the ducklings, quack, quack, quack. Mama duck leads with a feathered hat, wings held high and belly so fat. Quack, quack here and quack, quack there, they march through puddles without a care. Over the hill and under a tree, 5 little ducklings happy as can be. Duck number 1 flaps wings so wide, jumping up with a splashy slide. Duck number 2 dives down low, low, bubbles rising, watch him go. Duck number 3 likes to sing, quack-a-doodle, spring, spring, spring. Duck number 4 wears shiny boots, tapping her feet to funky flutes. Duck number 5 is small and shy, but flaps with joy as the frogs hop by. They all line up with Mama Duck, waddling in rhythm, just their luck. Now it rains with a pitter-pat. The ducks don't mind a drop like that. They splash and giggle, play and spin with happy hearts and feathered grin when the sun peeks out to say, "Hello, ducks, what a splashy day." They all line up in perfect line and march back home by the riverside. Waddle, waddle, quack, quack, quack. Time for a nap and a cozy snack. Close your eyes and dream away of ducky dances.